Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information related to personal finance. Remember, we visited to the zoo recently in the past and had enjoyed the scenes of the zoo. However, we all are a little bit tired now. So let's take some rest in the guest house, and after having rest, we will resume our journey to the zoo. The rest is over. However, it's raining outside. Let's take a pause for some time, and thereafter we will resume our journey to the zoo. By that time, let's play a board game of Snakes and Ladders. We all have played Snakes and Ladders game as a kid. However, this Snakes and Ladder game is not an ordinary game. It's a corporate or financial Snakes and Ladder game through which we will learn the financial markets. The four different players or participants in this game are resembled with four different companies in financial world or stock markets, which have been introduced in the financial markets. Now let us understand the financial world with respect to Snakes and Ladders game in context to the journey of a single player, which is addressed as a single company. Let's make the first move by rolling the dices. We got 8, so let's move 8 steps ahead. If it was 7, then the business could have got a booster from the government for growth. This business missed that opportunity, which means either this business is not qualified on those parameters to receive the booster by the government, or the business was not eligible, else it would have reached at a level of 28. Snakes are the negative news, negative events, or negative emotions of investors towards the business. Ladders are the positive news, positive events, or positive emotions of the investors towards business. Here, the business has not encountered any snake or ladder. The business has reached at a level of 13 that shows that business is going smoothly and it's a stable journey of business by running day-to-day operations. A business or a company is an artificial person which is run and operated by live persons. Thus, the operations of the business cannot be stopped. The members in a company may come and go, but the company goes on forever. This is the going concern concept of the business world. Hence, this implies that business has to continue its operations. Similarly, this game of Snakes and Ladders is a metaphor to the business or the companies. So let's continue this game and roll the dice again. The business was at number 13. Now the dice is rolled again and it revealed number 8 after rolling. So let's move 8 steps ahead. The business has now reached at 21. Here, the company has received a new project, which implies that the company will receive more cash, so there won't be any cash flow problems for the company. The company will earn more profits. Hence, the employees have an opportunity to earn more incentives and variable payments, which is a good sign for business. Thus, a ladder to climb, and hence the business has reached at the level of 59. It's time to roll the dices again, and this time we got number 11 after rolling. The business was at the level of 59. Now let's move 11 points ahead. And after moving 11 points ahead, we have reached to the level of 70. At 70, we are bitten by a snake, wherein the institutions and other investors have withdrawn a huge chunk of money from the business. A huge chunk of money is withdrawn from the business. The business is now left with lesser money comparative to what it had in the recent past. Hence, in order for the business to expand, it needs money. Further, having more money or surplus cash creates more liquidity for the business. Thus, withdrawing money by the big investors, including institutions such as foreign institution investors (FIIs), domestic institution investors (DIIs), government, banks, or other institutions, and even by retail investors impacts the business negatively. Thus, this is a sort of a snake which has bitten the business, and the business has now fallen down to a level of 32 from the level of 70. Irrespective of the fact how good a business is or how good is its management, the business needs funds for further growth. Now, the business owners would be thriving towards attracting investments and hoping something good for the business in the short term and also in the long term, while running the business operations as usual. As the investments have been withdrawn by the FIIs and other big investors, now we are left with one dice to make a move. On the next move, we receive 1. Now we have reached at a level of 33. Here, interest rates are reduced by RBI. A ladder to climb. This is a good thing for the business. Why? Because business was in need of funding, and as RBI has reduced the rates, the business can avail loans from NBFCs and banks at a cheaper rate of interest, resulting in payment of less interest and along with that getting ample funds which the business was aspiring for. This ladder leads the business to reach at a level of 54. With more funding, we got more resources for the business, and now we got 2 dices to roll for this turn. And now we got 11. We were at level 54, and now after getting 11, we are now at 65. Running day-to-day operations by rolling dices and making a move as per the number that we receive. So now received 3 and reached till 68 and growing step by step. These snakes and ladders are nothing but the ups and downs in the business world which are faced by the listed companies. Snakes are the bad news, the bad events, good events with immediate bad impacts, bad news with short-term bad impacts, bad news with immediate bad impacts, bad news with long-term bad impacts. These are the negative impacts, negative events, negative news, negative rumors about the businesses which leads the business to fall. Ladders are the good news, the good events with immediate good impacts, good news with immediate good impacts, good news with long-term good impacts, and good news with immediate bad impacts. These ladders impacts the business and its growth positively in the short run and also in the long run. And if not in the short run, then definitely in the long run. The participant will reach at the level of 100 either today or tomorrow, sooner or later. This implies that the business will achieve its goals eventually, either sooner or later, irrespective of the fact of how many snakes have bitten or how many ladders it has climbed. That is, the volatilities faced by the business on a negative side and also on a positive side. In the long run, the business will achieve outstanding results along with the economy with all those volatilities as a part of the journey. Therefore, as an investor, you should focus on fundamentally strong businesses involved in such products or services which has a huge scope in future, and obviously with great minds behind that business, that is the management. Hope you have enjoyed playing the snakes and ladder game. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then